Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about how to earn money online. Today I will talk about ySense, a website where you get paid to answer surveys or complete different types of tasks. ySense works worldwide, and I will complete a survey to show you that you can earn a bit of money from this website even if you live in a small country like Ireland. I will put the link in the description below if you haven't signed up yet. Before I start, all I ask from you guys is to hit the like button and put comments below to help my channel. Okay, so let's get started. Here is a 5-minute survey from Peanut Labs that pays 101 cents, so that's $1.01. I will blur out a few questions because some of them might be a bit personal. What often happens with Peanut Labs is that you need to answer a few questions before starting a survey. It looks like I got accepted to participate, so I will now begin the actual survey. There might be confidential data, so I'll have to accept their terms. Here it says it's completely anonymous and complies with Gdpr. For non-Europeans watching this video, Gdpr is a new data protection law they introduced a couple of years ago in Europe. This survey will consist of 2 parts, but they should still pay me for this one. So here they are just asking for my age, gender, education, personal income, and in which county I live in. Okay, so this seems to be a survey about politics. I use all of those, and I do see posts about politics every day on social media. This is a test question to make sure I'm reading the instructions. Always make sure you read everything before answering surveys, otherwise you might get disqualified. Here I will choose prefer not to answer. Here is another test question. World War I didn't come after World War II. Here they ask how interested I am in politics. So I knew how to answer those questions because I live in Ireland. This survey is specific to Ireland, so don't worry if you don't know anything about this country. I doubt they will send out surveys like these if you don't live here. And that was it. I'm actually very surprised how fast I was. I'm quite happy to put a happy smiley for this one. Don't hesitate to select the other one if you believe your survey was too long or longer than the estimations. Let's now go back to the homepage of ySense. And as you can see, I got paid $1.01. I had $11.93 a few minutes ago, and I now have $12.94. I could have probably done this a bit faster because this survey was very short, but I didn't want to mess it up for the purpose of this video. If you go back to the video before I started this survey, you will see that most other surveys were not paying as well and took longer, but this is usually the way I complete them. I'm always very selective and only choose the ones that pay well. I also sometimes get disqualified, but that's the risk with every survey platform you will encounter. So now I'm going to show you the offers section of ySense. If you saw my Swagbucks video, you will notice that a few of those tasks are the same. Offers change regularly, and I've never seen some of those on Swagbucks. If you like to play games on your laptop or on your phone, there are a few where you just need to complete a few rounds or reach a certain level to earn cash. I remember this War Thunder game, but I completed on Swagbucks. Here, as you can see, this offer was on Swagbucks back in July, but they only paid me 200 Swagbucks points for it, so about $2. And here they pay $7 for it. It took me about half an hour to reach this level, without counting the time spent to download and install the game, so it wasn't really worth the $2 on Swagbucks. But for $7, I think it is. Most of the other offers in this section are about spending money or subscribing to websites to earn cash back. I'll be honest with you guys, I don't usually like these offers because they can be time consuming, but make sure to check every other week because they often change their offers and it can sometimes be worth it, especially if you're already planning on making a purchase on one of those websites. So now I will cash out as I have over $10, and that's the minimum withdrawal amount for PayPal, which is what I want. The minimum withdrawal amount is $4.80 for Amazon.co.uk, and you will get a £3 voucher. These are the options we have in Ireland because we don't have Amazon here, so we usually use the one from the UK. If you live elsewhere, you should have Amazon from your own region. As you can see, there are many different options, but I always prefer to withdraw cash to my PayPal account because I can then transfer the money directly into my bank account. Okay, so I have to enter my ySense password and confirm. $10 has now been deducted from my ySense account. Let's see how this looks if I go back to the home page. Right, so my available balance is now $2.94. I paused the video for a few seconds, and I've now just received an email from them saying my reward is being processed. I will now pause this video a bit longer and continue once I get the money into my PayPal account. Alright guys, this is 3 days later. I received this email from ySense at 2 AM, as you can see here, saying they sent me the $10 I withdrew from ySense. And there it is in my PayPal account. I just got my $10. So it took about 3 days for the money to be transferred to my PayPal account. It was my first time withdrawing money from this website. I might make more videos about ySense in the future to show you that you can constantly earn a bit of money from here. For those who have already signed up to ySense, let me know in the comments below in which country you live in and if you had any luck with it. Thanks for watching and see you soon for another video.